the platform is a tool which is built around using your phone. It exists in two forms, the physical and the digital. In everyday life, it is imagined that by scanning the QR code, you'll be taken to the digital platform. Digitally, the platform is a network and repository of tools for rebuilding life after being displaced. It takes inspiration conceptually from the Whole Earth catalogue as a meeting ground for sharing ideas for rebuilding life in a quest for home or a semblance of it. It recognizes that the experience of displacement is multi-pronged and not one size fits all. As such, it includes a range of tools on various disciplines, giving them equal importance. These are shown on the homepage and include tips for finding houses, gaining an income, finding community, and holding space for memories. So, how does it work? Well, the digital platform is ultimately a demystifying tool. As such, people with lived experiences of displacement, expert researchers with appropriated knowledge, and co creators and activists that work with displaced persons can bring and share their knowledge at the platform. This is then represented in an accessible manner and can be reviewed by others to prove its credibility. Overall, the multidisciplinary nature of the tool aims to restore agency and enable people shape their own futures. In the House to Home section, the tools publicized move beyond the static and prescriptive provision of capsules for living. Instead, it provides tools to access safe and adequate housing that supports different residential needs. For example, mapping of amenities and available housing in an area might enable one to decide where to settle. The Fixers, Shapers, and DIYers network provides real advice on what has worked in moving from shelter to stable housing. Some of this might include tips on joining a solar cooperative, finding building tools for rent near you, or learning how to work with local materials like earth and bamboo. Within the Specialist Connect corner, displaced persons are able to find professional advice, such as steps to legitimizing a place within an informal settlement, or adaptable plans for building a home, or starting your own charging hub. Particularly, it recognizes the skills people have by providing a space to match skills to need. The memory section includes interactive maps for storing information about a place orally through voice notes, images, writing. Overall, this builds a collective archive of histories that can easily be lost. It also includes a corner for storytelling, some photo galleries, and publicizing events that are ongoing. The Find Community section has a range of forums specific to different groups of people, from young people to widows. It acts as a space to connect, find out what's happening near you, but also map out existing spaces to relax, play, and pause. The Income and Employment section aims to help people rejoin the labor force by providing mappings of where IT facilities are, recent grants and funds, job boards, free training courses to help upskill. Overall, the digital platform challenges the role of the architect by asking more widely how we can engage with social problems. Here, the role is not about designing a better tent or making a complex problem more palatable. It suggests that within precarious sites of climate emergency, architects put on a slightly different hat. Ultimately, the platform is a seed which, when watered through cross-discipline coalition and action, can enable a more autonomous future.